Synology C2 Identity can help organizations of all sizes securely manage internal users and devices through a unified management platform. In this video, we'll get you started with C2 Identity and introduce its management interface. You'll find the timestamp of each section in the video description. Create a Synology account and sign up for C2 Identity. Choose a plan and follow the wizard to finish signing up for the subscription. In this video, we'll choose the business plan. Create a domain name for your organization. C2 user accounts and the user portal URL will include this name. Enter your C2 encryption key. You'll need this key to sign into the C2 Identity Management Portal and access encrypted data. In addition, the C2 Identity Business Plan includes C2 Password Business, which allows its users to store passwords in the Password Manager. To access these passwords, each user will need their own C2 encryption key. You'll see your recovery code in the next window. Download this recovery code and keep it safe. If you accidentally forget or lose your C2 encryption key, you can use this recovery code to reset your key and regain access to your C2 data. We do not store your C2 encryption key, so if you lose both the encryption key and the recovery code, you will lose access to your data in C2. After registration, you can use C2 Identity to secure employee accounts, manage access permissions, improve employee productivity, and reduce IT workloads. C2 Identity allows organizations to provide members with a single set of credentials for accessing different company resources, consolidating management to one platform. You'll have full control to manage users and groups, allowing you to provision users and control access efficiently. Through device and cloud application account management, employees can sign into work computers and cloud applications through SSO, reducing the need for multiple passwords. Directory integration can integrate C2 Identity with existing directory services such as Windows Active Directory and Synology LDAP Server for seamless user management. Synology NAS can be converted into an edge server to provide local LDAP services for account authentication and authorization. Finally, you can implement additional security settings, such as passwordless logins on the settings page. This will reduce the risk of employee accounts being targeted by password-based attacks and enhance overall security. To learn more about C2 Identity, subscribe to the Synology YouTube channel or click on another video to keep watching.